Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we'll show you how to make a delicious gluten-free pumpkin seed bread recipe that can be made with or without eggs. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are flat, oval-shaped seeds. They are a good source of protein, fiber and minerals and are a nutritious and delicious addition to a healthy diet. This bread is perfect for anyone following a gluten-free diet and wants to enjoy some healthy homemade bread. The first recipe I will make is pumpkin seed bread without eggs. First, we have to grind 150 grams of pumpkin seeds. So add the seeds to your blender or food processor, turn it on medium and let it process for about 20 seconds. The mixture should be finely ground but shouldn't turn into a paste. Now we start by mixing all the dry ingredients. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and half of teaspoon of sea salt. Then add 50 grams of tapioca and 50 grams of white rice flour and 15 grams of psyllium husk, which will bind the ingredients together and will give the dough elasticity. Mix all the dry ingredients with a whisk. Now we add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 240 milliliters of warm water. Mix well and at the end add 1 teaspoon of apple vinegar. Let the dough rest for 15 minutes so that the ingredients come together. Now you can see that the psyllium husk bound the ingredients into a dough that can now be shaped. You can shape it into any shape you want. Before I put it in the oven, I decorated it with pumpkin seeds on top. Bake the dough at 374 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for at least 60 minutes. Here is another recipe for pumpkin seed bread with eggs. We'll start with dry ingredients. Put 150 grams of ground pumpkin seeds in a bowl. Add 50 grams of tapioca flour and 50 grams of white rice flour for structure and texture. 1 tablespoon of dry yeast or baking powder, half teaspoon of sea salt. Mix all the ingredients with a whisk. Now we will add wet ingredients. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, this is optional, 2 medium eggs, and 100 milliliters of warm water. Let's mix it all together well. Pour the batter into the prepared small baking pan. And before I put it in the oven, I decorated it with pumpkin seeds on top. Bake it at 374 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Now that they are baked, take them out of the baking pan and let it cool. Bread with pumpkin seeds can be combined with various breads, as a sandwich, as a side dish, as croutons for salads, and the list goes on. If you would like to see more content like this, like and subscribe. Till next time!